Moving down the backstretch, Isaac is battling with Buck Baker, but Baker's now a lap behind after the pit stops. Baker in car number 3, and Jimmy Pardue there in car number 54, also a lap behind. Moving through the turn, there's a car losing control. He spins down to the inside, hits the inside wall, bounces in the air, flips over, and comes up on his wheels. That's car number 95, and that car is being driven by Kenny Spikes of Cordell, Georgia. Spikes, who has been on the stock car trail for just a few years now, sings in a choir back at his home in Georgia. That car is really battered. We can see Spikes moving around inside, so apparently he's not seriously injured, but the car is definitely out of the race. The safety crew moving up. That's the fire truck. Fire is always a hazard on one of these types of accidents. They're going to take some precautionary measures here and spray it with some CO2.